welcome to SparkleBox. Are you bored of the traditional education that is happening inside the classrooms? Then no worries. Visit our website sparklebox.co.in and you can find amazing educational kits over there. What are you waiting for? Quickly visit our website and grab some interesting educational kits for yourself. And what is our today's DIY? Ben 1010. And today we are gonna make a Origami Hen. We just need two materials to make this craft, and they are origami sheets and a sketch pen. Hope you enjoyed making this DIY. Isn't it simple, kids? So definitely give it a try and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. I will be back with one more interesting DIY and creative Mother's Day craft. See you all. Bye-bye.